Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put two videos at the same time in one screen on CapCut using your mobile device, be it an Android or an iPhone. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the CapCut app on your mobile device. And from here, there's two options. If you're already working in a project, you might want to click on it. As you can see, your projects will appear here. But if you don't, just click the create a new project so you can start from scratch. And then I'm gonna add this specific video that I have in place. Now, if you hover down below, you want to make sure that you check the aspect ratio, because it's very important if you want to export this on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So these are going to be some of the screens that could help you out. For example, I'm going to be choosing TikTok. Click the check button. It would give you this. All right. Now, for us to be able to put two videos at the same time, we need to add the second video. If you click the first video in any part of the timeline, you would notice that you can drag the video all the way to the top or at the bottom, depending on your preferences. All right. So in this case, I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to add the second video by. Now, I want you to unselect the video on the timeline and click the overlay effects here. You see this overlay, click on it, and then add overlay. From here, we can add our second video. In this case, I'm going to be choosing the cat. I'm going to click on it. This cat is perfect. And then it will be added to the timeline. Now, all we have to do is drag the cat right here, probably here, and then the second video, the cat should be around here, probably here. Maybe the second video is going to be here, and the cat should be around here. Yeah, I think this is good enough. But the thing is, our cat doesn't fit in, so all I have to do is double click on it, and you can use your two fingers to spread the cat. You see that, to zoom it so that it would fit perfectly in place. Can probably right here, probably around here. So I have like the half of the face right here. So I think we're good to go. Try to click on play to see if our video has been seamless within this effect. All right, so once you're happy with it, you might want to click the export button on the top corner to save it to different file formats. But basically, that's how you put two videos in one screen on CapCut using your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android or an iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.